Don't be anxious about anything. Rather, bring up all your requests to God in your prayers and petition, along with giving thanks. Philippians 4:6. J'ai aussi écrit ça en français, si tu comprends pas anglais. Keep on praying. Don't be anxious because God really does care for you. Dieu t'aime, ici tes problèmes. Il voit tes problèmes, pardon. And He will be there for you. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started with the deep talk. You know, we gotta switch it up every once in a while. You know, what's up? How you doing? You looking rough? Oh, gosh. Dang, yeah, now you noticing yourself. Yeah, you look kind of crazy, but it's okay. So today I'm gonna do like a really cool bronze brown look, and I'm gonna start off my face with Milani primer. Is actually okay primer. I've been like switching back and forth with primer for the summer, so I'm trying to find what fits me what fits me the best. Je vais mettre ma figure avec cette base ici. J'ai tenté de chercher quelle sorte de base c'est bien pour ma figure. So before I start, I normally put edge control on my eyebrows because my eyebrows, these brows are hairy, okay? I have some very, very natural, bushy, you know, brows, okay? J'aime mettre les produits là sur mon sourcil parce que c'est un peu sous qu'ils avaient belé wana, je sais pas, hein? Dieu m'a béni avec beaucoup. Souvent beaucoup là, il faut que j'arrange ça moi-même. So yeah, so as a concealer, I'm going to be using my Milani concealer plus perfect. This is my first time trying it. Ça c'est mon première fois en train d'utiliser cette concealer ici, and we guessed the right color. Normally we have problems with colors, okay? Normally it's like it's hard for me to find the right shade. But today we have the right shades. For my eyebrows, I used my Wet n Wild pencil liner. J'utilise Wet n Wild le pencil. I don't know how to say that in French, but you get it. So now we're just gonna, you know, clean up the brows, do the upside down Nike check. Girl, you look good. Yes. Ooh, Nike what? Just do it. Yes, sis. So yeah, we're just gonna clean the brows up and wipe all that extra, you know, primer that I allow to sit on my face. I like to let my primer sit on my face before I just, you know, apply my foundation. So for my fond de teint, for my foundation, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to mix it with the True Superstay foundation by Maybelline. These two combination is bomb. Thank me later, hein? Le deux mélanges là, c'est tellement bien. Remercie-moi après. So yeah, I'm just gonna put all that and blend my face, and I'm just gonna try to make sure that as I blend, we make sure that when we take photos, we don't look scary. There's a lot of people out here, we're not gonna discuss about that, but it's quite crazy when I look at photos on Instagram and Facebook. So I'm gonna apply that next concealer, you know, all over the eyes. I recently started to do this technique if I'm trying to do like a dramatic full coverage look. J'ai commencé à faire ça si je sais que je vais, you know, nako bima, hein, non, bima, so plutôt qui n'est pas pour nous voir ba photo, hein. I'm supposed to be doing all of this, okay? So so I just do this look because sis, if we're doing dramatic, you know, look, and it's not a natural beat, we gonna go all the way. We just gonna go all the way, you feel me? We not gonna let nothing be swinging, nah. We about to be let it seen that Affy's in the house, Affy in the house. So so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. One thing I did notice about this concealer is it comes off pretty it looks a little bit cakey if you apply too much of it. I am gonna say it's like a little on the creamy side. I'm not used to like super creamy concealer, but this is one of those concealer that you got to be very careful when you're using it because it comes off pretty creamy. J'ai dit que les crèmes de concealer ça se voit un et mi on a net des belé, mais il faut faire attention quand tu mets ça. So for my setting powder, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup. Je vais utiliser cette poudre ici pour, you know, pour que ça reste toute la journée. Tout ce que j'ai mis, ça move pas, ça touche pas, whatever. You get what I'm saying. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face because I do get oily during the summer. And it's not a good look, okay? Oily combination skin, summertime, we be uppercutting some things, okay? So I'm just gonna apply that on my lids before I put my colors. So I'm gonna set that same concealer in the same setting powder, and we're gonna apply it on the lips, sis. We're gonna make sure that we stay all day. So now I'm gonna just wipe everything off. I was kind of freaked out because this concealer was my first time, and I was like, hey mama, the baby see, oh, the baby see. C'était un problème, huh? It was a problem because I was like, oh my gosh, why is it doing this? But no worry. So we're gonna use my setting spray, and I'm just gonna set everything out, destroy all that extraness, and my face kind of calmed down a little bit. So now for my eyes, I'm gonna be going in with my Colourpop Take You Home. I just want to take you home. Say a little bow wow. Sorry. And I'm gonna apply that on my crease as a dark brown color. Je vais utiliser les marrons là. Je vais mettre ça. Je vais utiliser ça pour les faire à paupières. And I'm just gonna, blend. Blending is very important. Like, I notice how important blending is. Quand tu mélanges comme ça, il faut prendre ton temps. Ça prend à moins 1 minute or 2 minutes. So I'm going to go in with my Jaclynhill palette, and I'm going to use that maroonish, brownish look color. And I'm going to reapply it on my crease. Je vais rentrer avec un autre marron. Je vais remettre ça la même place que j'avais mis le premier marron. And these are like 2 different browns. Ça, ils sont différents. Hein? C'est pas la même. Mais c'est la même marron, mais c'est différentes couleurs. Je sais pas comment je peux expliquer ça. It's like 2 different browns. And I'm just going to apply that on my eyes. And sis, we have extra skin, okay? I don't like my eyes because I have extra skin. So I'm going to go with my Morphe 35F palette. And I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm used to flicking people off. So this is like a habit of mine. So if you feel offended, I'm so sorry. That middle finger goes a long way with my makeup uses. But I'm just going to apply it on my eyes and use that just to bring out. It has like a bronzes look to it. So I'm just use that, and I'm just going to bring that out. And I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush from Bougie Bee Boutique. And I'm going to blend, and I'm going to carry the extra colors underneath my eyes. And we're just gonna blend it and make sure that the blending goes pretty well. And as we blend, we look again, we blend. Blending is important, okay? Blending is very important. So I'm gonna go in with this concealer. I forget the name of it. And I'm gonna conceal the cheeks. De comme mon néné, hein? Il faut qu'on se voit un peu comme si on a maigri. Maman, yo mon côté là. Regarde toi-même. I look big, hein? Je me vois gros, hein? Il faut que je construct these face, huh? We about to look like a fine babe in the progress. About to construct these cheekbones. About to look all skinty, okay? Voila. Construct, baby. Take your time when you're doing this. So next, I'm going to construct these cheekbones, okay? I'm going to be using Colourpop, collaboration with Makeup Shayla, Construct palette, Construct blush, and I'm just going to, put some blush into these cheeks. I like this blush because it's not so much. It gives you that, natural look. So with the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Virgin Hair Dynasty or Virgin Hair Fantasy Amber lashes, and I'm going to put them on the eyes. You remember this Les Faux Cils by Virgin Hair. And I'm going to reapply the eyeliner because I have, extra skin and sometimes it doesn't look right. And girl, you look good. You look good. You look really good. So I'm going with that Jaclynhill. Sorry, y'all. Kind of got starstruck. I'm going to go in with that Jaclynhill, and I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes. And the same thing I did at the top, I'm doing at the bottom. The same color j'ai mis en haut. La même couleur j'ai mis en haut, j'ai fait aussi en bas. En haut, en bas. You get it. So I'm just going to reapply everything on my eyes. And, I don't know if anybody else's eyes gets watery when they do too much with it, but mine does. So with my concealer that I construct my cheeks with, I'm going to set that with Black Radiance Black Radiance contour palette kit. And I'm just gonna set all my concealer. Toutes les crèmes là que j'ai mis pour me voir comme si j'ai maigri. Je vais toucher ça avec le poudre. And yeah, so for my eyes, underneath my eyes, I like to prime it first to bring out the lashes. So I'm gonna prime my eyes to bring out my lashes. Je mets d'abord les bases avant que je mets les mascaras pour que ça fait sortir mes cils. So I'm just gonna do all that, and you see, girl, you look fine, babe. Sis, look at you. Yes, you look good. You look blessed. Yes, you do. Keep dancing because you blessed. Yes. So I'm gonna go in with my lips and I'm gonna line them up before I apply my nudity on there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply all that, you know what I'm doing. I'm gonna, je vais, dessiner. Yes. So for my lips, I'm gonna use Katy Kat something, Nude Lips by CoverGirl, and I'm gonna apply that nude right there. That's some really good nude. I actually like this nude. It's really good nude. Okay, PG nude. Like, this is good nude. I like that. You look cute. And yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance contour palette highlight kit, and I'm just gonna apply that bronze look. It wasn't looking good, so I was like, sis, we need to bring out the big boys. We need to bring out what you're used to, This is okay, but I wanted that nose to pop. So I was like, you know what? Nah, this ain't cutting it, son. Bring out the big boy. Bala, Milani highlight. Okay? I'm going to apply that with my fingers, and I'm just going to highlight the face. So basically, this is how the look ended up looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to shut up now and let you guys watch the rest of this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.